Setting up your Sengled smart Bluetooth mesh bulb is easy. First, make sure your Echo device is set up and has the latest updates. Ask, Alexa, is your software up to date?
One moment while I check. This device is up to date.
Next, twist your Bluetooth mesh bulb into the socket and power on. If you bought your Bluetooth mesh bulb from Amazon, you're all set. If you didn't purchase your bulb from Amazon, then say, Alexa, discover my devices.
Starting discovery. This will take a few moments. Power on your new devices now, and if needed, put them in pairing mode.
Now you can control your Bluetooth mesh bulb using your voice or via the Alexa app. Alexa, dim light to 50%.
Okay.
Use the Alexa app to group your Sengled lights. Create routines such as wake up to light or have your lights turn off automatically at night. Control from anywhere, at home or while you're away. Easy, versatile, brilliant.